I'm in Hebron and I've just been told about a wall. So this gate locks about 40 Palestinian families in, and it actually locks at certain times where they can't come out. And this actual side of the road that I'm walking on, Palestinians can't come. There's actually a bus stop over behind me, and the Palestinians aren't allowed to take it. I can take it. The Palestinians can't take it. It's complete racism at the heart. And if I walk over here at the bus stop, you'll see. How you doing? You can see the heavily guarded stuff for the Palestinians. So I wonder who's protecting who. They all seem so worried about the Palestinians. There's nothing to worry about. It's terrible. Do you like the racism?
I like racism?
Yeah. What do you think about the Palestinians not being able to walk along here?
I don't know, I don't really think much about it.
It's because you don't think about other people? Or?
Of course I do.
And then how can you not think when they can't walk here and they can't get the bus?
Huh?
They can't get the bus, they can't do anything. What do you think? Don't care?
You don't have to read out that.
You don't have to read up. You're living here, man.
I don't
They're not allowed over here.
I live
You're on the
in
bus.
I live in America. I come here a few times.
American dollars paying, huh? Fantastic. Hey, can I ask you what you think of the racism here? What do you think? What do you think about the Palestinians not being able to walk here? Don't care?
What?
You don't care? So,
I
see
don't
the arrogance?
understand
You
English.
see the arrogance about it. It's very arrogant that they're racist right to the heart. It's disgusting. You should be really ashamed of yourself. Say hi, huh? You're looking for peace? Just want to steal all of Palestine? You should be ashamed of yourselves. I just wonder if I could ask you a couple of questions. You want to tell me about the... You want to talk to me? About why the Palestinians can't walk down here? You don't care?
I don't know. I know as much as you know.
No, you don't, because you live here.
I don't live there.
So that you just use, you know, ignorance with a big smile. You should all be ashamed of yourselves. You can laugh. You don't know what's going on over here. You don't care.
Hi guys,
Because you're all protected by this. Yeah, I'm recording.
how are you?
Because you're racist. It's disgusting. You're all protected by all the armed services. You don't care because you think it's God's will.
God should give you good life.
Yeah, why do you tell everyone why you're living here? And what you're doing, occupying someone else's land.
It's our land.
Okay, you tell us. I want to know.
Yes, it's our land.
It's yours?
It's written in the Bible and is written in the Bible in very many places.
So he says that it's racist and Palestinians shouldn't be able to walk here?
They live here best in the whole Middle East.
Then why can't
In
they
the
walk
whole Middle
across?
East.
Tell me why they can't walk across. Tell
Because
everybody.
they shot Jews on every place here.
Who shot 28 Palestinians here?
Because
Tell me.
because they killed Jews here.
Who? Who killed the 28? Huh? Defending yourselves.
No?
You know, just say, you know, fuck the Palestinians.
Oh, excuse me. Please talk nicely.
I won't talk nicely because you're a bunch of animals.
No cursing. No cursing.
No cursing.
I didn't curse
This is what the
anyone.
world should do.
Speak
Wake
nicely.
up, world.
Speak